What if one language changed your career? AI can become your personal language tutor. Let's learn smarter, not harder.
Welcome to today's Explainer. We're looking at this massive, fundamental shift that's happening right under our noses. Basically, AI is quietly but entirely removing the cost barrier for serious language learners. I mean, for years, getting truly conversation ready meant dropping hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on private tutors or super expensive software. But, well, not anymore. Today we're going to look at how you can take totally free apps and turn them into a hyper-personalized language tutor. And more importantly, we'll focus on how you can use this as a massive competitive advantage if you're a remote job seeker or a freelancer. So, here is our roadmap for today. 1. Language as career leverage. 2. Your free AI toolkit. 3. The 15-minute daily routine. And 4. Real remote work results. Let's get right into it.
I actually want to challenge you right out of the gate here. What if the ultimate cheat code for remote work is a second language? You know, so often we view learning a language as just this casual hobby, right? It's something we dabble in before a vacation, or maybe we just play a few games on our phone to keep a little streak alive. But if you're working remotely or you're trying to land a remote job, you really need to pivot your mindset right now. You've got to start seeing language proficiency not as a fun little pastime, but as a strategic, undeniable career asset.
Okay, let's dive into Section 1, Language as Career Leverage.
This right here is our first major paradigm shift. A second language isn't a hobby, it's leverage. The crucial point is exactly what this quote from our source material highlights. If you're a freelancer facing international clients, or maybe a job seeker trying to stand out in a completely flooded remote market, having a second language on your CV, or even just possessing flawless business English, means you are competing from a vastly stronger position. You become the candidate who can actually handle the EU supply chain calls, or the freelancer whose proposals read perfectly to UK clients. It's pure leverage. To really understand why this is possible now, we have to look at the old way versus the new way. So the problem for beginners used to be that those gamified apps were great for building habits, sure, but they caused you to completely plateau at a basic A1 or A2 level. They almost never forced you to speak or write under real conditions. And to get over that hump, you had to hire expensive private tutors. But then a massive shift happened in January 2026. Duolingo made its absolute sharpest AI grammar coach, a feature they call Explain My Answer, completely free for everyone. So the new way? It's using totally free AI tools that give you personalized correction and real conversation practice on demand. You seriously no longer need an expensive subscription or a human tutor.
Moving right along to Section 2, your free AI toolkit.
So, we know the philosophy of language is leverage. Now let's look at the highly actionable tools we're going to use to actually build that leverage. Your 4-tool AI stack consists of Duolingo, ChatGPT or Claude, Google Translate, and Grammarly. Now notice we aren't going to cram all the details into this one view, because each of these tools has a very specific, distinct job in your learning routine. But used together, they perfectly cover structured drilling, live conversation, real-world immersion, and written polish. Let's break them down one by one.
First up is Duolingo. This is your habit-building base. You're going to use this to rebuild your vocabulary and grammar fundamentals. As I mentioned, that Explain My Answer feature now gives you a full AI-powered grammar breakdown of literally every mistake you make, and it's totally free. Now, a quick piece of advice straight from the source, skip the paid maxed here. Duolingo does have paid live AI conversation features, but honestly, you don't need them, because we're going to use our next tool for conversation entirely for free. And this is where it gets really fascinating. ChatGPT and Claude completely replace the need for an expensive speaking tutor. You just use a specific prompt, tell the AI to act as a friendly native speaker, keep it at a beginner or intermediate level, and gently correct your mistakes after each reply. You can roleplay any scenario, 24/7. Oh, and here's a massive pro tip. After about 10 exchanges, ask the AI, what are the 3 mistakes I made most? Boom. You instantly get a personalized mini progress report without any of the anxiety of actually talking to a human tutor. Third in the toolkit is Google Translate. The whole goal here is to take your learning off the screen and force it into your actual reality. You can use conversation mode for two-way spoken exchanges, sure, but camera mode is the real secret weapon here. Pointed at signs, menus, or, let's be real, a terrifyingly complex logistics report sitting right in front of you on your desk. When you tie vocabulary to physical, real-world objects, your retention just skyrockets. Finally, we have Grammarly. Now you might be wondering, why is a grammar checker part of a language toolkit? Well, because written polish is what clients and employers actually see. If you're a remote worker drafting proposals, writing client emails, or sending LinkedIn messages in a second language, it absolutely has to be sharp. Grammarly's free tier flags real-time grammar and clarity issues so your professional writing looks completely seamless.
Which brings us to Section 3, the 15-minute daily routine.
Now we have our tools. But tools without a system? Totally useless. You must treat this exactly like a non-negotiable gym habit. And this brilliantly illustrates how those 4 tools stack perfectly into a strict, highly effective, chronological routine that takes just 15 minutes a day. Check this out. Minutes 0 to 3, you warm up with one Duolingo lesson, reading the AI explanations for any mistakes. Minutes 3 to 10, you actually speak it. You run your ChatGPT or Claude roleplay prompt for at least 10 exchanges. This is the step most people skip, but it's what actually builds fluency. Minutes 10 to 13, you see it in the wild, using Google Translate's camera on something around you. And finally, minutes 13 to 15, you lock it in by writing one sentence about your day or maybe drafting a quick email and running it through Grammarly. 15 minutes. That is literally all it takes.
Finally, Section 4, Real Remote Work Results.
I know what some of you might be thinking. Come on, can 15 minutes a day really impact my career? Let's look at how the source material builds this case by comparing the journeys of 2 real learners side by side, Kemi and James. Anchoring this framework in reality really shows its incredible versatility. Kemi focused on a better UK English tone using ChatGPT and Grammarly, resulting in 2 new retainers. James wanted French for operations roles, used Duolingo and AI roleplay, and actually passed his screening call. Let's look a little closer at each of their stories. Look at Kemi's transformation here. Before, she was a freelance accountant in Lagos. She didn't actually need to learn a brand new language. She just needed a sharper, more formal written tone for her UK clients. So, she used ChatGPT to roleplay and rehearse investor update calls in a formal British business tone. Then, she ran every single client email through Grammarly. The after? She secured 2 new UK retainer clients in just 3 weeks simply by polishing her business English. That is literal career leverage in action. And then we have James. Before, he was a virtual assistant in Birmingham looking to really level up his career. He saw an opening in companies with EU supply chains, so he specifically targeted them by actively adding French to his CV. He used that exact 15-minute daily routine we just talked about, warming up with Duolingo and doing AI roleplay in French. Just 6 weeks later, he passed his very first French language screening call for a senior ops coordinator role. I mean, from beginner to passing a professional screening call in a month and a half? For free? A quick aside here from our source material, for those of you who are ambitious learners, maybe you want to turn your 15-minute language progress into daily content or tutorials for LinkedIn or YouTube. The source actually recommends AI video editors like Video Express. It allows you to maintain a really consistent on-screen character and voice, which is a fantastic tip if you want to document your career upskilling journey without having to reshoot videos from scratch every single day.
So, we've covered the mindset shift, we've built your free 4-tool AI stack, we've mapped out the 15-minute chronological routine, and we've seen the hard proof of freelancers and job seekers actually using this to win. So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. What is 15 minutes a day going to unlock for you? The tools are entirely free. The barriers are completely gone. Treat this toolkit as a career lever. Block out 15 minutes today and go gain that competitive advantage. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you next time.
Language skills create career opportunities. Practice 15 minutes today. Tomorrow, we'll unlock AI for smarter research. Subscribe and continue your AI journey.